Welcome to Karen's channel. I know this is so late. I filmed this video back in December 2015 and now it's January 2018. I just want to show you how beautiful the place for me. This is the first time I went to Makino and I fell in love with it. But I wasn't able to create the whole video right away because I already forgot I had this and I am so freaking busy that time. I also uploaded my autumn video last year, which is also filmed in this place. And this place is also my stress reliever. Seriously, the tree looks blurry, but I really did not apply any filter with this.
노래를 좋아하고
Did I just saw Pikachu Santa? Don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel and follow me on my Instagram. Tap or click the video to watch.